Hi, this is Sean McCracken, your OC Realtor, bringing you the California dream of eco, sun, and fun. I'm showing you a really special contemporary house down here in Three Arch Bay. See if we can get a view of this. And this is literally 1 block away from the ocean. It goes for $6,900,000, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, about 3,000 square feet. So it's a new house. And we'll just everything on it. Even look at the detail work of the driveway is even special. Well, we're going to show you this place. If you want to get a hold of me, Sean McCracken, your OC Realtor, 949-290-5317, or Sean at welcometothedream.com. So here we walk into the place. See these views. It's a real art type of house. The master is down here on the ground floor. So now you're getting an idea of how close it is to the ocean. Check out this tub, big huge tub. And then check out this master with the big sliding doors. So again, this is on Three Arch Bay, one of the best beaches in California. It's private, hardly it's ever crowded. Just great people down here. There's all the closet space. Again, just taking a quick look back here. And then let's go upstairs. Beautiful. Wait till you see this living area. Again, Sean McCracken, 949-290-5317. It's a beautiful realtors here. Yeah, don't worry about it. And here's the view out of So, majestic view. No word needs to be said. Some good sized swells coming in early on that one. And then the actual room itself. And the kitchen. This bar stool situation, so it's totally indoor-outdoor living.
This is the house we just bought.
Again, this goes for $6.9 million.
It's falling apart.
Pretty nice living down here. And then top drawer wood floors. It has a nice bedroom here with its own bath. And then the other one over here. So, California dream, eco, sun, and fun. This is California living at its best in its own bathroom. Very nice. Well, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, we're down here in South Laguna, Three Arch Bay, $6.9 million. It could be yours, right on the water. Take care.